I will give you more than what you ask for. Be patient and trust me. Ephesians 3 verse 20.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited today. Do you know why? Because today is the second day of our 14 days Clove and Rosemary challenge. But first, where are my girls? Where are my DIY lovers? I got so many comments from the previous video I posted. People who are ready to jump on this challenge. If you're one of them and you're watching me right now, if you're a returning subscriber or if you've seen that previous video and you're here right now and you're jumping on this challenge, please let me see you here. Come here. Where are my girls, my DIY lovers? Please come and take the front seat, because today is the second day of our challenge. The last time I moisturized was 3 days ago, and today is the second day. Remember, as I said in our previous video, we're supposed to moisturize 3 times in a week. So this is the second day. That means we're going to moisturize 6 times in the 2 weeks. So today is the second day. We are going to moisturize our hair again with rosemary and clove water. So I have already prepped the water to be used. Let me show you. This is the water. So what we are going to be doing in this video is that I'm just going to dump it as usual on my hair. Okay, so if you know you have started this challenge, please drop in a comment. Drop it in the comment. Let me know, my girls. Let me know the people who are ready to grow their hair in 2025, because I know there are people who are ready to jump on this challenge. I already got some people that are already doing the challenge. So please, if you're seeing this video for the first time and if you still want to join, please do well to start your own immediately you see this video. Okay, we are going to grow our hair in 2025 6 inches. We are not losing anything. In fact, you're going to grow your hair so much in this 2025 if only you can be dedicated and be intentional about your hair. Let's all stop treating our hair like is the problem. Our hair is not a problem. Let's start treating it as if it's a gift. The way you take your body, the way you pamper your body, let's start pampering our hair, because it's a gift from God and we have to nurture it to see the growth. Okay, stop hating on your hair. Your hair is not the problem. Okay, you need to start taking care of it to be able to love it and cherish it. So having said that, let's go ahead and dump this goodness on our hair. But first, let me show you what the hair looks like now. Remember, we've only used this thing once 3 days ago. This is the second time. Let me show you what it looks like now. So this is it. This is my hair. Okay, see, you know how this cornrow looks like in the first day, right? You know, if you don't know, go and check the other video. You already know what it looks like. So this is it. This is just 3 days though. This is 3 days. Look at it. Let me turn my back so you can see. You can see, right?
Now let's moisturize our hair just the way we did it in our previous video. I'm just going to dump it on my hair. If you want to use a spray bottle, it's left for you. I like doing it this way because my hair tends to absorb more moisture when I do it this way. I don't believe there is someone somewhere who still doubts the effectiveness of herbs in this century. Are you there? Can you hear me? Please have a rethink, okay? Because a lot of people have been using it and they've been giving good reviews about it. I don't know why you are adamant about it. Herbs has been used for centuries to promote hair growth, improve scalp health, fight hair loss, strengthen the hair, and address various hair-related issues. Herbs offer a natural and chemical-free alternative to commercial hair growth products, reducing the risk of reaction and damages to the hair and scalp. Herbs are cheaper solutions to hair growth. That is the reason why you need to start using herbs for your hair. Instead of posting third day video, I think I'll compile it. Like I'm going to do third and fourth day I will compile it together and then I'll post it for you guys. So what do you think? Do you want me to do it separately the way I did the second day? Do you want me to also do the third day and post it? Just to encourage anyone out there doing this challenge, I just want you to know that you're not alone. I am with you. So let me know if you want me to also post third day, or I should just compile both the third day and the fourth day.
So this is me using my shirt to dry up the excess water before we go ahead and moisturize. So let's moisturize now. Let me show you what the hair looks like. Let me turn the back. So now let's moisturize. First, I'll go in with my leave-in conditioner. This is the one that I'm using, followed by the butter. So let's do it. Let me clip my mic to my shirt. Make sure this mic is on so you guys can hear me. Lastly, our butter. We made this butter on the channel. If you want the video, I will link it in the description box. I love butters. This will help you retain the moisture for 3 days. For the next 3 days, your hair will still be moisturized. So don't just dump this liquid on your hair and not use butter. If you don't use butter, it will just escape and all your work will just be in vain. We are not here to work for nothing, okay? So I think I'm done. I'll not be I'll not be I'll not be applying any oils on my scalp today. Lastly, I'm just going to tuck away my ends. Very important. So because my hair is soaking wet, I'm not going to wear my bonnet. I'm just going to leave air to touch it. I want it to air dry a little bit so it will not soak up my bonnet. I think we have come to the end of this video. Do have a lovely day. See you in my next video. Do not forget to moisturize your hair, okay? Do not forget. If you're seeing this video for the first time, do not forget to jump on this challenge, okay? Don't waste time. If you snooze, you lose. See you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.